Besides St. Peter's Basilica, the other three papal basilicas are St. Mary Major, Santa Maria Maggiore, St. John in Lateran, San Giovanni in Laterano, and St. Paul outside the walls, San Paolo fuori le mura. It's easy and free to go through all four of the holy doors. By the way, in each one of these basilicas, the holy door is next to the regular entrance, and you can go through the holy door whether or not you are a pilgrim, and you also do not have to go through the holy door if you don't want to. In any case, many of you want to know how to go through the holy door. To go through the holy doors of the papal basilicas, including St. Peter's Basilica here at the Vatican, you have several options. One way to go through the holy door is to register in advance. Everyone can do this, pilgrim or not. You just go onto the official Jubilee website, which I'm linking to in the description below, and create a login for yourself. Next, you should download the Jubilee app. From either the website or the app, you can book your entry to the holy door. You'll be able to see your booking in the app. For the purposes of demonstration, and because I did this, and because here at St. Peter's Basilica, the procedure is a little bit more involved, I'm going to be showing you the procedure for going through the holy door here at St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. For the other three papal basilicas, you just show up for your appointment time and you can go right into the door. Once you have your booking to go through the holy door, you're going to want to come down here to Piazza Pia. Piazza Pia is this beautiful new pedestrian piazza that was created in time for the Jubilee. It's just underneath Castel Sant'Angelo, and for me the easiest way to get to it is to cross over the Angel Bridge because it's such a beautiful walk. So whether you're one person or a group, just come down here to Piazza Pia with your booking and walk into the little help desk that's been put here specifically for the Jubilee. If your group is a minimum of 10 people, you'll all be able to stay together, and they'll give you one crucifix for your group to carry. On the other hand, if you come down here with fewer than 10 people or alone, like I was, you're going to have to wait until at least another 9 people show up so you can have a group that's a minimum of 10 people. Once you form this minimum 10-person group, they're going to give you a cross to carry, and one person in the group can volunteer to carry it, but others can also take turns if they like. I didn't carry it, but the people who did said that it's very lightweight. I'm standing here on Via della Conciliazione, which is the street that leads from Castel Sant'Angelo all the way to St. Peter's Basilica. Right at the beginning of Via della Conciliazione in Piazza Pia, you'll see the beginning of the dedicated Pilgrim's Lane. Don't worry, there is somebody to show you what to do. So when it's your turn, your group with the cross is going to be allowed to enter the lane, and then you're going to walk all the way from the beginning of Via della Conciliazione in Piazza Pia all the way down to St. Peter's Basilica.